Hello. This quick tutorial will show you how to download an ebook or an article. I'm going to do so through NC Live. To get to NC Live, I'm on the Library Services page on TechLink. I'll find NC Live here. Note the password for the current academic year will be listed right here. Once I'm on NC Live, I'll need to click Select Your Library. Click in the drop-down box and scroll down to Forsyth Technical Community College and log in. Here's where we need that password. And now you'll see that I'm logged into Forsyth Technical Community College NC Live. Now I can click Articles or eBooks and search for whatever I want to find. So if I go to Books and Literature, Homegrown eBooks Collection. If you create a BiblioBoard username and password, which can be done by clicking the menu icon at the top left side of the screen and then selecting Create Your Profile, you will have the option to sync the Homegrown eBooks collection with your device, as well as several other useful options, such as adding notes and bookmarks. Let's look at Mystery and Thriller. And how about this one? Now I can read it. Just like that. Some ebooks don't allow for downloading to your local device, but you can read them all the same. If you don't like that database, you can go all the way back out. Let's try a different one. It's that simple. If you would like more support, please contact Library Services at 336-734-7219.